video.
The King of Chill has claimed his throne. No matter how many times you show Doggo Nail trimming is harmless, nope is nope.
Sir, please move. Sir, please move.
Sit. Shake. Good girl. Very smart girl. Yeah. Shake your little paw. Shake the other one. Oh, shake.
가자.
Ready? Fetch. Good lad. Good lad.
Puppy thought her hair was a moving toy. He's speedrunning how to ruin a peaceful swing session.
Who she wants to bring in the house?
No!
Come inside. Come inside, boobs. Come on. Boobers.
His spirit is saying husky, but his physics are saying marshmallow.
Ble, knocker. Oh.
Mila! Mila! Quit!
Coco.
Service dog on duty, but also on Starbucks patrol.
Hey, honey, give us a song.
It was a device. It could not be used for an actual fight or something. It was too large and too heavy.
Bang! Bang, 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 bang!
What a fun game! I would be stuck here with this bull my entire day.
Huh?
Is that true that meditation can solve everything?
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
Okay. Natural beauty? Nah. I'd rather be pretty wearing makeup.
Put the goat down! Drop the goat! Oh my gosh.
Toca la puerta, no. No. Toca la puerta.
You've hit a glass door before, and this is how you learn from it.
Come on out.
How I smile after taking my braces off. Who needs an expensive toy when you have this? Do not disturb a craftsman at work.
You gonna get a bath, man. You gonna get a bath.
The leg going up.
Tanda, no, 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 no.
ready for laundry day. Just supply the clothes and accept the kibble fee.
Ready? Whoa, that move looked straight out of professional MMA.
And now.
Next week, he'll be selling NFTs and self-electing to be the town mayor.
Come on, strike a pose. Thank you.
He's waiting for the best throw of his life. He might be waiting a while.
You're mad.
Ow.
You're gonna fall. Stop! Stop! My cat is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah! Fuck you! Come on out. Oh, it is.
Hi, Mom. I tried my best to be cute. Now please play with me.
Trained for the Force, but he wasn't trained for the Orange Cat special.
Oh my. Oh, now the cat's scared.
How about it? How about it? What the?
Oh my goodness. You're so fast.
Somebody tell him this isn't NASCAR, or don't. He's vibing.
Quieta, quieta.
This puppy clearly misunderstood crate training.
Wasn't 100% sold on a police department community outreach animal. Sometimes you just got to stick your neck out. So we really thought this option was head and shoulders above some that we've seen from our neighboring agencies.
Are you okay? Yummy!
Speak. There you go. Now, can you whisper?
Hey, you're gonna stay right there.
Typical rooster energy, hearing exactly what they want to hear.
Yo, what?
Oh my god, Joey.
She's already been hitting this bad boy for like 45 seconds, so I just figured I'd kick it on, catch the rest, say good morning, have a great day. Thank you for all the support once again. Nina and I really appreciate it.
Saan are you?
Someone clearly doesn't trust your navigation skills.
The Malinois was a sturdy, square-built burger with a short brown coat and a black face. As phones modernized,
Hard work, isn't it, Lebanon?
The real footage of an artist after is fueled of inspiration, because being creative is exhausting.
Takes it out of a dog.
Do you want to go for a walk? Should we go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk?
E aí, para variar, é assim, olha o tamanho da chuva. E a Bela tá onde?
Hey, buddy, did you even ask permission before taking that?
Put the staple gun down right now. Right now.
Huh?
Why is it not moving?
Oh my god.
Sit. Quieta. 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 Quieta.
You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Stop. Stop!
Ooh, knew that was coming. And there went the... You found something. Nova, stop it.
Give me my sock. Give me that sock.
Friendship goals. Finding someone who protects you like this.
When the pitch calls, he turns up with a special scheme that only Orange Fur can use. Everyone is living the green life, and this one is not an exception.
Hey, what's up?
Well, maybe he needed it. You know, like maybe he held it together for his ex-wife, and then now that he's not with her, he's like, I can be back.
Hey, here we go. Come on, let's go. Come up this way. Yay!
Time to go home. Don't do that. Come on.
Look who has just become a puddle on the floor.
Oh, buddy.
Oh my god.
You camouflage, Frank.
Part of the job, posing like best friends together. Those dips were unforgettable. If this made you smile, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ride the wave with us for more heartwarming moments.
Då vill vi med.
Jag som är 5.
This is so good!
Oh, mira qué guay con el cookie.
Excuse me, how much does it cost to have a dining room with a view of the ferret burrows? They sure look like the same, but have different tastes. Those Malinois puppies are pure chaos. If they made you smile, subscribe for more. See you soon.
That's going a bit far.
I promise you this. I'll always look out for you. That's what I'll do.
To us, it's getting dirty, but to the pup, it's a relaxing spa day.
Well, hello. Hello. How are you? I hope you have a one.
Rose saw your legs uncrossed and said, "Absolutely not. Fix your posture."
So I wanted to ask you something. Do you want to go? Do you want to go on a walk? Oh my god.
He may be shy, but he stayed because he felt the love.
Where are you? Tasha! Yeah.
Just flew right above you, huh?
If animals make your day a little better, don't forget to leave a like.
Millie.
Grandpa's best friend. Look at that trusting gaze.
Millie. Hey. Is it bedtime? Okay, go to your bed.
Go potty. Going potty was pretty far down the priority list.
This is not a mistake. This is an advanced dance move.
This dog may look tough, but tiny moving objects instantly turn them into curious babies.
They all.
Get out! Get out! Get out! No!
Hi! You gotta come here! Susie! Come here! Daisy! Daisy, come here!
Oh my god! Basil!
أبو البيل أبو البيل أبو البيل مولو.
Forget after-work drinks. This fluffy therapist is the real reason Dad rushes home.
Welcome back to Where Fur Meets Funny. In today's video, you'll see
It's okay.
I'm sure this man has a table head. Ask Seagull.
You know what? Hell yeah. Yeah.
Where can I buy tickets to this magic show? Someone needs to praise this dog for bringing a huge branch.
If you love animals, don't forget to hit that like button. Ooh.
好的。
老金没顾上自己的安危。
Hej. Ja, det där får jag. Jag har inte på med vagnen då. Vad gör du killen?
Every dog has that one song that speaks to the soul.
No. 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 No, 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 no. No. Ragnar.
looking for a friendship with zero bad vibes.
再玩一次不玩了。好。
Qual você vai querer?
I had a couple Red Bulls. You ever had a Red Bull? I never had a Red Bull before, but I had a Red Bull last night. I really like Red Bull.
No!
Please do not disturb. This is a very serious personal hygiene moment.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
No. Go. 5, 4, 3.
Hang on. Oh gosh.
You are a fox. Funky.
Immediately no. Immediately no. Immediately no. I'm telling you right now, I seen what I needed to see.
He's got his eyes on it.
After a long shift, furry officers need rest, just like their human partners. It's the "I'm so exhausted from being this cute" yawn.
She's seen her shadow. How cute.
That howl was so weak. Even the moon said, I'm gonna ignore that.
This is why silence around puppies is terrifying.
Put it back. You can put it back. Oh, you want me to use it? Oh, thank you. Oh, yum, thank you. Are you?
Wednesday, Marcipe.
With paws like that, how fast do you really think you're winning this race?
Raccoons, the stealthy ninjas of the night. Is there a cracker in here? No? Okay, I'll hug you then.
No.
Aww. Purr so loudly.
sometimes the best therapy has 4 legs.
Oh no! No!
If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my god!
Oh God! I'll never make it this time! This is the end!
Anyway.
자, 이거 보자. 나도.